Welcome to Trade with Rob, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Wednesday, September 17, 2025. Hope you're having a great day. I hope it's been a phenomenal trading day for you. As we get started, keep in mind everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. All right, so let's dive in. Looks like we've got about 3 or 4 minutes left until the market closes. We're running right up into that 618, baby. I mean, that one, not 618. Sorry, 618 was this one. Into the 100% extension, which was 66.34. We are right there. We're like 10 points away or something. As far as I'm concerned, we smashed that sucker already. We did exactly what we said we were going to do months ago. We called it that was our next target, and we're there now. So we had no trades go off from yesterday's trades, gap aways, and one that did not move at all. So that puts us at 57 winning trades, still 7 trades that have gone against us, no break evens. 17,728.56 is our total P&L in our SIM account for an average of 277 per trade in profit. All right, so let's go take a look at our candidates for today. So the very first one is NVDA, right? Like NVIDIA, love NVIDIA, great company, man. This thing is just rocked, right? It's just been a straight up, right? And then we've had this double top in here, this lower high now, which is a little concerning at this point. We've backed off a little bit since I picked this candidate out a few minutes ago, but I'm okay with that. Let's do this. I'm going to pull this one out a little bit to the right. We're going to pull the Fibit out right in here. I like this one to the downside first, so we're going to go with a red pen. Small move back up, retest at 177.66, fail, drop off from there. We're going to take the trade on the fail. You're going to put your stop somewhere on the other side of the 177.66, right? If support is at 169.75, so 171 is where my target's going to be, give or take, right? 171.25, well, 170.75, whatever your number, whatever works for you. All right, wherever you set, however you set stops on yours. This is just mine. We get a small move up for the upside, a retest and a bounce. Take the trade on the bounce, set our stop somewhere down below. If resistance is at 184, my target's going to be about 183, 182.5, somewhere around that area. All right, so that's number one. TGRP, which is in energies sector. So let's go take a look. All right, so we've had a lot of sideways momentum or movement here. I don't like what that did. Let's fix that. Okay, somehow I duplicated that fib line. I like this one better to the downside, so let's go grab a red pen. Small move down, retest, and a fail. If this happens, we take the trade on the fail, putting our stop somewhere on the other side of the 163.71. If support's about 156, call it 157, my target's going to be right about 158 to the downside. For the upside, small move up, retest, bounce. Doesn't have to come all the way down and actually hit the line. It's just wanted to move downward. What are we looking for? The bulls started the run. The bears tried to take it back, and they couldn't control it. All right, we're going to take the trade on the bounce. Stop is down below. If resistance is at 172, my target's about 171, 170.5, somewhere in that area. And then last and certainly not least is ZS. Here's the entire fib on ZS. I love the pattern that we're looking at right now. We're going to go with bullish to start it all off. Small move up, retest, and bounce. Remember, I always want to see that the initial happened. The bulls tried to run. The bears said, let's try to take it back. And they failed. We got the bounce, and there's the entry. Stop is down below the 282. If resistance is up here at 300, my target's going to be about 297. 298, 296, your call. To the downside, fail, retest, and drop. Right, if that happens, take the trade on the fail. If support's at 260, my target's going to be right about 262. 263, somewhere in that range. And there you have it, everyone. Listen, I gave you 3 candidates here today. We have 17 in total, which means there are 14 stocks you are never going to see for today's candidates. If you'd like to get access to all of them, go over to tradinglikeaboss.com and you can register for Trade with Rob. You can also go over to tradewithrob.com. You can register. It is free. You'll get an email every day that says, hey, here are the candidates from Rob, along with charts and the list of all the other stocks on his list for today. If I don't do a video today, you will get a list and charts of all the stocks that made it to my list today, but I maybe just didn't have time to do a video today and get one out, but you'll have access to all of it. And the best part is it's all free. So with that, make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it. And remember, you're just one trade away. I will see all of you on the next update. Bye for now.